Did you know that course participants retain only 5% of what they hear in a lecture, but an outstanding 75% if they practice by doing? Cesim Business Simulation Games are the most intuitive, multi-language educational tools that already help hundreds of professors and corporate trainers illuminate difficult business concepts to their participants through an easy-to-use online interface. We provide a turnkey solution that empowers you to complement your lectures with collaborative, scalable, and risk-free team exercises. Our business simulation games cover the disciplines of business, strategy and management, marketing, and hospitality. In addition, we have a range of industry-specific simulations, as well as custom simulations for programs needing a tailor-made solution. With Cesim, you can set up, manage, and analyze your simulation-based courses from one easy-to-use online administration platform, and create a truly engaging learning experience to improve big-picture thinking, as well as business acumen, teamwork, and problem-solving.